Hi friends, welcome to my channel Techie Prep. Today we are going to discuss about the trigonometry chapter. An app called SSC Currents Publication is available in the Play Store. You can download it for free. After opening of the app, you will see SSC Maths in English. Click on that. After opening, you can see chapter wise. After that, today we are going to discuss trigonometry. So open the trigonometry. Directly go to types. Here type 1 question. See type 1. Here it is asked that in circular measure the value of the angle 11 degrees 15 minutes is means see the options all are in radians, so it is clear that we have to convert this degrees into radians. So first question, it is asked 11 degrees 15 minutes in radians is how much? So 180 degrees is pi radians. 1 degree is pi by 180 radians. So here it is given 11 degrees 15 minutes. This 15 minutes we have to convert into degrees, which means divide that 15 by 60, it converts into 1 by 4 degree. Now 11 1 by 4 degrees is how much in radians? Already we know that 1 degree is pi by 180 radians. 11 1 by 4 degrees is how much? This 11 4s are 44 plus 145 by 4 into pi by 180. 45 4 times is 180. Pi by 16 radians. You can see the options, that is first option is the correct one. Next, going to the next second question. Wait a minute. See, in a triangle ABC, angle ABC is 75, angle C is if an angle is indicated like ACB, that means angle in the middle one is pointed as the angle. Angle C is pi by 4 radians and angle A is how much? So now going to the second question, it is given triangle ABC. Angle B is 75 degrees. Angle C is pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Angle A is how much? In a triangle, sum of 3 angles is 180 degrees. So x is equals to 180 minus 120. X is 60 degrees. 60 degrees means pi by 3 radians. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next, going to the third question. The circular measure of an angle of an isosceles triangle is 5 pi by 9. Circular measure of one of the other angle will be. Next, question number 3 is given. Isosceles means two angles should be same, that is let us say x and x, and other angle is 5 pi by 9. So sum of angles is 180 degrees. 2x plus 5 pi by 9 is 180 degrees, which means pi radians. So 2x is equals to pi minus 5 pi by 9, which means 4 pi by 9. 2x is equals to 4 pi by 18. So going to the next question. Actually options are given wrong. It is given okay, fine. One of the angle means, see it is given two angles. We'll get 4 pi by 9, but it wrongly printed as 4 pi by 9. So that is single angle should be 4 pi by 18 degrees. Sometimes in this book there will be some mistakes in the keys or printing. Next, fourth question. Going to fourth question. See the degree measure of 1 radian. This you have to remember guys, always 1 radian. 1 radian is equals to 57 degrees 16 minutes 22 seconds. This you have to remember for any competitive exams. Very 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 important. Next, going further, next question. It is given 3 pi by 5 radian is equal to how many degrees? You know already, 180 degrees is pi radians. 1 radian is 180 by pi. So we given 3 pi by 5 radians. So we have to multiply it with 180 by pi. Pi will get cancelled. 5 3 is 15, 5 6 is 30. So 108 degrees. Hope it is clear to you. Next, going to next question. If the sum of the two angles is 135 degrees and difference of the same angles is pi by 12, then circular measure of greatest angle is how much? See, for this let us see, x plus y is 135 degrees, right? X minus y is pi by 12, which means 180 by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 5s are 60, 15 degrees. So solving we get 2x is equals to 120 degrees. X is 60 degrees. Then substituting here we get y is 6 6 12 75 degrees. So it is asking which is the greatest. This 60 means this is the greatest, right? So 75 degrees means 75 into pi by 180. 3 6 are 0, 3 2s are 3 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 75 degrees is equals to 5 pi by 12 radians. This is the greatest angle. So see the option number 3 is the correct answer. Next, going to the 7th question. It is given secant square theta plus tan square theta is 7. Then the value of theta is how much? And we have given a one condition, that is theta always rise between 0 and 0 and 90 degrees. Let us say that secant square plus tan square theta is already given as 7, but we know that 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So we are taking secant square plus tan square is 1, but we know secant square is 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta equal to 1, which means 1 plus equal to 7. It is given as 7, I'm sorry. 1 plus 2 tan square theta equal to 7. 2 tan square theta is equals to 6. Tan square theta is equals to 3. Tan theta equal to root 3, which means theta equal to 60 degrees. Theta equal to pi by 3 radians. So pi by 3 radians is option 2. Next, going to the next question. Again, the sum and difference of two angles are 22 by 9 radians and 36 degrees respectively. Then the value of smaller angle in degrees, taking value of pi as 22 by 7. 8th one, sum x plus y is 22 by 9 radians, and difference is 36 degrees. Radians means we have to convert it like 180 degrees is pi radians. So here 1 radian is 180 by pi. So this will become x plus y is equals to 22 by 9 radians, means 22 by 9 into 180 by pi. Pi in the question it is set to take as 22 by 7. So 22 by 9 into 180 by 22 by 7. 22 cancel. 9 20s 180. 140 degrees is x plus y. Next, x minus y is 36 degrees. Directly subtracting 2x. So 176, x is 88 degrees and y is 12, 6, 54 degree, 52 degrees. So smallest angle is 52 degrees. So see in the options, option 1. Next, going to next question, 9th question. The circular measure of the included angle formed by hour hand and minute hand of a clock at 3 p.m. will be. Means now take a clock 1, 2, 3. 3 o'clock at 12 p.m. It is exactly 90 degrees. Actually, I'll tell you one thing, this 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 3. Here every total angle is what? 360 degrees, right? And 12 divisions are there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 360 by 12. 12 3s are 30 degrees each division. 30 means 12 to 1 30, 1 to 2 30, 2 to 3 30, 3 to 4 30 degrees, 4 to 5 30 degrees, 5 to 6 30 degrees. In the same scenario, 1 to 2 130 degrees, 12 to 1 30 degrees, 1 to 2 1 more 30 degrees, 2 to 3 1 more 30, 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 30 90 degrees. Or it will be easier for you to remember when you are solving clock problems also. Okay. Actually 90 degrees means pi by 2 radians. Option 4 will be correct answer. Next, which of the following relation is correct for 0 less than theta less than 90 degrees? So theta lies between 0 and 90 degrees. So let us take theta is equals to 45. So we should go in this type of questions taking one random value between the range that is given. Like I am taking theta is equals to 45 degrees. So sin theta 45 means 1 by root 2. Sin square theta means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. 1 by root 2 means 1 by 1.414, which is very less than that. So that option 1 is wrong. Next, sin theta less than sin square theta. Sin theta 45 degrees 1 by 2. It is very clear that sin theta, if you have any doubts, I will open the calculator and I will show you that 1 divided by 1.414 means 1 by root 2 value is 0.700. 1 by 2 is 0.5. This is always sin theta. This is sin square theta. Right? So sin theta is always less than sin square theta. From all the relations, you can simply see that sin theta is less than sin square theta. Whichever angle you want to substitute, you can substitute that angle. That should be always within the given range, that is 0 to 90 degrees. So here option is sin theta less than sin square theta, that is second option. Now going to 11th question. If theta is an acute angle and sine of theta plus 18 degrees is half, then the value of theta in circular measure. Okay. Sine of theta plus 18 is half. This is 11th question. Half means sine 30 is half. Sine theta plus 18. So theta plus 18 is directly is equals to 30 degrees. Theta is equals to 30 minus 18. Theta is 12 degrees. 12 degrees is equals to pi by 180 radians. 12 ones are 12, 12 5s are 60. Pi by 15 radians. Here the value of theta is pi by 15 radians. Second option. Going to the next question. What is the measure of central angle of the arc whose length is 11 centimeters and radius of the circle is 14 centimeters? So draw a circle. Length of the arc is given 11 centimeters. Radius of the circle is 14 centimeters. Right? But we have one formula, that is theta, that is length of the arc is given by theta by 360 into 2 pi r. We have given in the question it is given that radius is given and length is given. Directly substitute theta by 360 into 2 pi into pi value is 22 by 7, radius is 14. 11 2 times 7 2 times 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 4 9 is 36, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is. So theta is 45 degrees. So 45 degrees means option 1. Thanks for watching, guys.